Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 20 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish working on our model. Now we're ready to put it into our Twinmotion. So before that, we want to make sure that we're in Find, and then we save it. And then after that, I'm just going to use the Twinmotion plugin so that I could open my recent Twinmotion. And then we're going to send it to DataSmith. So Twinmotion is opening. We could close this and then delete the starting blocks right there. And then before that, we need to go to DataSmith plugin and then export to DataSmith. And then here, I'm just gonna use or gonna type house, and that's the name that I'm gonna use. Or if you want, you could use any name you want. And then once I save it, I'm gonna go here and then import where I saved the file. So open, and then I'm gonna click on this and then import. So press OK, and then we have our model right here. We need to double check everything. Looks like it's good. I'm gonna go to ambient, go to camera, and this is very important to do. Go to details and then make sure this is checked. After that, go to environment, and then let's turn on HDRI and then backdrop first. And then if you want, you could just height offset this first. So let's leave it like that. And then here we need to sign into Epic Games so that we can use everything here, like HDRI, Megascan, Adobe, and Sketchfab. So that's good to know. And then make sure to save it first. So save as, go to Twinmotion right here, and then we could put ADYE House. Press save, and then once it's done, we could then now change the material. So first, let's go to glass, and I'm gonna use this glass right here, and we're going to change the tint color right here, which is a bit dark. Opacity, I'm going to make it 60, and then Fresnel opacity 0.5, and then that's good enough for me. Next, I want to just make this one white. So wall covering, I want it matte white, and then matte white on others as well. So that's good right there. And then after that, I'm going to pick material right here, and I want my aluminum to be black. And then you want to make sure metalness is all the way, and then we could use that on the others. So here, and then on this one, the balusters, and then on this one as well. We could put it on that one, and then for the lights, I want the frame of the lights to be black as well. So everything is consistent. We can make it this one black or gray. So either way, we can put that at black. And then after that, let's go to wood. And then I'm gonna use this one for my wood. I'm going to scale it. So I'm just going to use this one on that. Afterwards, let's add another wood for this one. Rotation to be 90. And then scale it a little bit so that we can see all of those. And then here, as you can see, we need to make this one a neon color material, neons, so that it's bright and we can see the look that we created here. So if you have the image, it looks nice there, and then there as well. That's the design that we created. And then after that, let's go to ground, nature. I'm gonna put this one or this grass for that. And then for man-made ground, I want this concrete right here for the sidewalk. Scale it a bit. And then I want number 4 asphalt. Scale it a bit. Onto this. And then another concrete or concrete right here. And then scale it a bit. Actually, I like this one instead, so that it's consistent. And then I want some cobblestone, slate right here. And then let's go around here. Wood material, I want maple here, but scale it a bit so that looks good right there. And then for the border wall, I want stone there. So let's see if this one's good enough. Or I'm gonna make it subtle and add this. I think this is good enough for that. And then for this one, I want the stacked stone. It's one of my favorite look here. And then maybe I'm going to just use the aluminum for this one as well. So that looks good right there. I'm happy with the way this one looks now. I'm just gonna leave this one white, and then the important thing is the look of the building. It's white, and then we have this kind of showing right here. And then now I want to go to populate and then place, and then I want it paint, or actually scatter. Let's go to vegetation, and I want to go do lawn grass. So you need to add multiple lawn grass so that you'll be able to fill out this grass right here that is in our model. So I'm gonna put 6 of them. Hold on, shift and then select and then click here, and then we're going to use this one to fill out this area right here. Of course, this one is a nicer or finer grass, and then we're gonna use the other grass, maybe the long one. So here we need to undo that, and then now go back and then add long grass, dry wild, clovers, and then some tall grass to this. And then select all of them, and then select this one, scatter tool. So now you have something that looks like this one, and then it affects all of those. So we have a finer grass right here, as you can see, and then we have something here on the other side. And then what we could do is we could add some trees. This one is a good tree to have, but we need something small enough, something like this one, so that it's not overpowering. So something like that. So we still have a view of our model. So I'm gonna use that there. And then something large on the sides. Most of the time this is more curated on the look. And then we need to change it a bit. And then actually I'm gonna put something on this side, so I need to have some space. And then something at the back here that is visible there. And then go click ambience, environment. We need to make this one a bit bigger, so size it something like that. And then we need some different kinds of trees here just for reflections. Okay. So this one's looking good. And then let's go to my user library, and we have some houses here that we could attach here. So give it some time. And I'm going to use this one and then rotate it. I'm gonna add this back, add to user library. I think I unintentionally remove it, and then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees or 180. Okay, so let's leave this one like that, and maybe one more here. Rather have this one. That's too big for that. And we're just going to place this one and then rotate it. Degrees to rotate, and then we could just add it here. And then we could just remove this and move this one a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. And I could just move this one a little bit there, and this one we could have some trees here. So we have some gaps, and then we could place those kind of trees there. So that looks good there. Make sure to save it. And then we could add in some vehicles. I'm gonna place something like this. Place that like that. And then even a bike. Okay. And then we're gonna add lights on the next video. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.